$14.99. Did I say that already? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a high ponytail. I got this ponytail. It's from Sensational Hair. I got it from my local beauty supply store. I'll link it in the box. How can I show it to you? It's like a, if you do a flexi rod set on blown out hair. It's very cute. I'm very excited to try it on. I actually have an event to go to today, so I'm going to wear it to the event. Hopefully it comes out perfect. This is the hair. This is what it looks like. You see them curls? Oh, y'all, when I tell you I'm excited. Okay, before I open that, we need to work on my hair. We need to slick this back. Oh, I really hate slicking my hair back. This is not freshly washed hair. I literally just went under the shower and was just like soaked my hair in water because it's always easier to work with when it's wet. I really didn't want to blow it out, but now I think I have to. So I'm gonna blow it out and then we'll go from there. If you want to know how I blow up my hair, I have a video on it. I have multiple videos actually on how to blow my hair. So check that out. The hair fully blown out. Honestly, it's not perfect, but I went through it rather fast and I'm very happy with that. I don't need it to be perfect, I just need it to be blown out. I'm kind of debating whether I want to be a little bit experimental and like do a little side part or just slick it back to the ponytail on. And I kind of feel like we have to be experimental. This is risky business and we're on time crunch. We're gonna do it anyways. I think I need that much hair. Twist that, and it's gonna go to the side. Period. Okay, I'm gonna twist that up. Put this away while we work on the rest. Everything else is just being slicked back. I just don't know how high I want the pony. Do I want to really... I don't think I want it too high. Like I feel like just like there. And I suck at slick backs, but we're gonna do everything we can. I googled it. We're gonna be actually working in sections to put it in the slick back bun. So we're gonna move over to my mirror. Okay guys, so this is actually the finished look. This is what I went out with. It's been a couple of hours. Obviously my flex bar didn't hold up, which is fine. I just pinned it to the side now when I should have done that for the event, but like, it's fine. It's fine. We rocked it. It looks good. Pony looks so good. It looks so good. It looks super defined. I didn't fluff it out too much because the more you fluff it up, the less wear you get out of it. You know what I mean? But I also kind of like a more defined look. I don't know. I don't know. But let me know what you think in the comments. Would you get this pony? It was $14.99. Did I say that already? This is a $14.99 pony. Sensational hair literally never does me wrong.